With more than 300 million active users, Snapchat has emerged as one of the most popular social media platforms today. Interestingly enough, users are flocking to the site to not just share their personal lives, but to make money through their Snapchat account. Here's 12 ways to make money on Snapchat. But what is Snapchat? Unlike other social networks such as Instagram and Facebook, where your posts can stay alive forever, Snapchat's unique selling point is its emphasis on time limitations. In other words, when you make a post on your Snapchat account, it stays live for just up to 24 hours. These unique features provide different opportunities and ways to use Snapchat for businesses to make serious money on the platform. Let's explore some of the ways to make money on Snapchat. Number 1. Promote products. Pretty much like Instagram and Facebook, Snapchat is an excellent platform for affiliate marketing. Of course, you need a substantial number of Snapchat followers if you want to increase your income. But even with a modest number of people following you, it's possible to promote products and start making money. Number 2. Create Snapchat ads. With a high click-through rate, Snapchat is a popular social media site for advertising. As a small business owner, you can use Snapchat dynamic ads to raise awareness about your products and services. What's more, Snapchat provides a host of advertising options to make the process easier. Take Snapchat ads for example. These full-screen video and image ads are highly effective in enticing users. Snapchat also has an ads manager that can come in handy when you want to manage the ads you run on your site. Number 3. Do a story takeover. When you become a recognizable name within your niche, you can take advantage of story takeovers to increase your income. With story takeovers, you'll be able to take control of a company's account and post sponsored content for other users. Number 4. Create sponsored lenses. A Snapchat feature that sets it apart is the efficient use of augmented reality. The sponsored lenses have been designed to help businesses promote their products. You can use the Snapchat lens feature to increase sales. Data reveals users prefer sharing lenses, which helps businesses gain more exposure. Number 5. Design geofilters. Hosting an event or launching a new store? Well, geofilters can help you build more awareness. On Snapchat, you have both personal and business options to create geofilters. To create the business geofilter, you must include your trademark or brand logo. Number 6. Create ads for businesses. Marketing on Snapchat is quite different than marketing on other social media channels. Many brands do not fully understand how to crack Snapchat, although the majority of their target audience is on this site. This is where you can earn a few dollars extra by creating Snapchat ads for businesses. Number 7. Sell directly on Snapchat. By using Snaps, you can directly advertise your products and services on Snapchat. Snapchat for Business is especially useful for you to reach your audience. There are various customization options you can explore to make the most on this platform. Some of these include emojis, filters, and drawings, to name a few. Number 8. Post to other stories. Other simple ways to make money on Snapchat is by leveraging popular events and activities. For example, you can add your snaps to stories such as Coachella. By doing so, you'll be able to reach users who follow this event. It can help you draw traffic and increase the number of followers. Number 9. Create viral content. Snaps that go viral on Snapchat have the best chance of earning $1 million. That's because Snapchat's calculations are based on reach and number of views. That's why it's important to focus on creating viral content that can help you make more money. Number 10. Produce original content. With millions of active users, Snapchat has many content producers who create snaps all day. To be able to stand out and make sure your snaps go viral, you must focus on creating original content. You can do this by adding creative elements such as GIFs. Number 11. Add hashtags. Since number of views is a key parameter to succeed with Snapchat Spotlight, it's important to make sure your target audience sees your snaps. Snapchat recommends adding hashtags to ensure your snaps reach the right audience. Number 12. Avoid promotion. One of the requirements to submit a Snapchat Spotlight is to avoid posting a promotional or sponsored snap. On Snapchat, users can make at least $250 per snap. The payment is made within a week of a video's posting. Go try these things out. What are you waiting for?